The goal of this video is to show how I created the analysis data file for the California Restaurant Market Project and calculated descriptive statistics. My first step after starting Stata is to change the working directory to the command files folder within the version of the project that I downloaded to my PC. In this case, the project sits on my desktop. As a general rule, it is easier to revise an existing computer program than to start from scratch. Hence, rather than starting up the do file editor with a blank tablet, I'm going to open a file that I already have. There are a number of ways to include comments in Stata, so there is no excuse for not documenting your work. Stata will ignore anything on a line starting with an asterisk, as in line 12. Stata ignores anything written after a double slash on an individual line, as I've done on line 9. If I use slash asterisk, Stata will ignore anything written on multiple lines until it encounters an asterisk backslash. The clear command empties Stata's memory, good practice to make sure you start afresh. Set more off allows Stata to execute all of the commands in my file. The log command ensures that everything you see in the results window is sent to the file you designate. The two dots tells Windows to go one level up from the command files folder and look for the folder designated after the backslash. We use the same convention to locate the Excel file containing the data we wish to import. Options in the import command tell Stata to expect to find an Excel formatted file with variable names in the first row. The describe command asks Stata to profile what it has learned about the variables. Summarize provides descriptive statistics. And save creates a new file for the data formatted to be easily read by Stata. Always end your do file with log close, which releases the log file to be printed or opened in another program. When I am reasonably confident the program does what I want it to do, I click the execute icon to run the program. Returning to the main Stata window, I see that the do file ran successfully. Had there been an error, the results window would show the point in the do file that caused the problem. I would type log close in the command window and return to the window containing my do file to correct the problem. Save the file, the do file, and exit from the do file editor and from Stata.